Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install readxl or openxl so R can parse Excel formats. Use install. Packages, readxl, now. Once installed, set your working directory or build an absolute path. This prevents file not found errors. Then load libraries with library, readxl, and library tidyverse. Make sure to inspect the workbook structure with Excel sheets to see sheet names. This immediate inspection guides how you will reference sheets in the next steps, so do it now. Once done loading libraries and identifying sheets, read the data with readxl, specifying sheet and range to limit import size. Use call names to control header interpretation and call types to enforce numeric or date columns. This avoids later surprises. After import, run glimpse to check types, then clean names with janitor, clean names, for consistent column references. You should also trim whitespace, parse dates with lubridate when necessary, and pipeline transformations with deepler to keep code readable and reproducible. Finally, save the cleaned dataset to a durable format like CSV or XLSX so you can reuse it without repeating parsing steps. Write CSV is fast and portable. Once saved, validate by comparing row counts and summary statistics against the original workbook to ensure nothing dropped. If things go wrong, inspect NA patterns and encoding differences and confirm numeric columns weren't read as text. Use type conversion or readxl call types to fix. If persistent issues appear, reopen the raw sheet range and re-examine headers and merged cells.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.